Ain't nothing like a Jamaican beef patty. Ain't nothing like a Jamaican beef
That's a
patty.
fresh man. What is it called?
Yeah.
What is it called? What? Something beefy?
Juicy, beefy. Beefy, juicy. Something like that.
Jamaican Juicy Patty now expand the brand to the UK to bring more value to customers around the world. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Let's Talk. So if you're a fan of Jamaica or a Jamaican national or just a visitor to the island of Jamaica, then you would be aware that Juicy Patties is one of the best in the world. So the patty company now expanded its brand to the wider world and bringing it to the UK. So Juicy Patties are now available at the following stores in the UK: Asda, Morrisons, and Sainsbury locations across the UK, bringing the good value of the Jamaican taste to the UK. So, might I point out to you, though, that it's not the same that is being manufactured in Jamaica because these are now being manufactured in the UK. As you know, Jamaica has its plant over there in Clarendon, which manufactures and supply the different branches in the Caribbean island. But all I can say, I've tested the patty myself, and I must say that it's a good look and it's a good taste as well. It's not the same as it would taste in Jamaica, though, but it's a substitute for the taste that you get in Jamaica, and it can be accepted as another choice for a party that you so desire when you're not in the Caribbean. So now I'm about to update you as it relates to what's the plan for this and how they go about rolling out this in the UK. So as you know, Juicy Patty is a premier brand launched in Jamaica in 1980 and has relaunched in the UK and is now available in Sainsbury, Asda, and Morrisons in the mouth-watering beef, chicken, and also stew peas flavors, as said. But I don't sure if Jamaica has the stew peas flavor. I've never heard of that while visiting Jamaica or while living in Jamaica as well. But I hope that they do try that out there as well. So these are the actual different types of patties that you can get in the UK, and they're available at various locations and various shops in the UK. So according to Daniel Chin, his dad set up the patty company in Jamaica back in 1980 using all his saving and a small loan from his mother with just a few employees. The idea to partner with UK supermarket which now sell the patties as chilled and frozen was an idea he garnered from customers. Mr. Chin further went on to state that the loyal customers in the UK ask and he listens, as he would normally see customers traveling from Jamaica to the UK. They would usually buy their frozen patties from different locations across the country and bringing them for friends and family in the UK. He stated that he wanted to make the whole process a lot more convenient for them, so he partnered with Sainsbury, Asda, and Morrisons, and now our patties are available in over 200 supermarkets in the UK. The traditional Jamaican patty is a pastry that contains various fillings and spices and baked in a flaky shell. So the Jamaican Patty Company has been around for many years, and I can tell you this is a really good look for the Jamaican brand to be extended the fleets of patty line across the world in Canada, US, and now in the UK. It's a good look for the Jamaican brand. So Juicy Patties sells a range of meals in his home country of Jamaica, from porridge to ackee and saltfish, as well as a wide range of delicious patties. According to Mr. Daniel Chang, he spent months in the UK ensuring that the authentic recipe and its secret ingredients could be produced to taste just as the patties were back home in Jamaica. So you can buy one of the company's wholesome patties priced between 90p and £1 at selected Sainsbury, Mars's and Asda store across the UK and enjoy them with your friends and even your family. Mr. Daniel Chin said his father is still actively involved in the business, being CEO and chairman of the board. Added that his plan in the UK has always been to provide the same taste, quality, and value that our customers have grown to expect in Jamaica. He encountered some issues with consistency during the initial launch and can confidently say that those problems are behind us. What makes Juicy Patties so special? Juicy patties are unique in the patty world for a special formula comprising of higher filling to pastry ratio more than other patty brands. This means that depending on which one you pick, you will get flavorsome beef, chicken, or stew peas for your money's worth. In Jamaica, the patties are a snack of choice for many to be enjoyed by workers and school children alike at the end of a busy day, and often bought in dozens by a family due to it being sold for as little as $180, which is equivalent to just £1 in the UK. The company currently exports to 8 countries in the Caribbean: Cayman Islands, Barbados, Turks and Caicos, St. Vincent, Trinidad, Dominica, Antigua, and St. Kitts and Nevis. Juicy Patties first came to the UK in 2016 thanks to a partnership between Daniel Chin and British award-winning patty company Clayon's Food. Based in Birmingham Jewelry Quarter with a 50% staff team, Cleon Foods is one known for its world-class production facilities, the ideal place to perfect the juicy beef patty recipe for the UK, using one and only of the fewest raw ingredients to make sure it tastes is as good as it gets in Jamaica. Daniel credits the success of Juicy Patties to the company's focus on quality and maximizing customer value, he said. But Juicy Patties has been around for some time, and I must say that this brand of patty is one of the best in the world. And to see that it's a Jamaican brand expanding the fleets of patty line across the world, it's a really good look for the Jamaican brand itself. And hope too that this opened the doors for other brands to venture outside of Jamaica. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. I hope that you enjoyed watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it to the best of your abilities, and continue to share and like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest report. Have a blessed and productive day, and please go out and get a juicy beef patty to warm that mouth of yours.